stuck with a pending MetaMask transaction that's holding up your crypto flow. Let's untangle that mess in under 90 seconds. First, open your MetaMask extension. You'll usually find it in your browser toolbar. It looks like a little fox head. Click on it to reveal your MetaMask wallet. Once your wallet is open, look for the Activity tab. This is where you'll see a list of all your transactions, including the one that's currently stuck as pending. Click on the pending transaction you want to cancel. You might see options like speed up or cancel. If you see a cancel button, great. Click that and confirm the cancellation. If you don't see a cancel button, you'll need to use another method. Select your profile picture and then click Settings. Once you are at the Settings panel, click Advanced. Scroll down until you find Customize Transaction Nonce. Make sure this option is toggled on. Now, send a new transaction to yourself, sending 0th. This is important. Send it to your own MetaMask address. Copy your account address from the top and paste it into the recipient address field. Before confirming, click Edit next to the gas fee. We need to manually set this. Select Advanced Options, and here is where you are going to input that stuck pending transaction nonce. So if your stuck transaction is nonce 5, input 5 into this field. Make sure the gas fee is higher than the pending one, then confirm the transaction. Wait for the new transaction to confirm. This new transaction effectively replaces and cancels the pending one. Boom, the pending transaction is gone. Subscribe for more quick crypto fixes.